Chicago move-in day. I am right now in Ohio, about to move to Chicago. I'm so excited. We loaded up the van and the car last night, so we're all set and ready to go. This will actually be the 4th state that I've lived in my lifetime so far. Also, if you guys have seen my previous videos, you will know that I have not seen this apartment building in person yet, so it's kind of a little surprise to me, but my roommate Ashley has moved in, and I do love our apartment unit from the videos that she's been sending me. But for now, I think we're all set and ready to go, ready to get on the road, and I will see you guys in a bit. I feel like Eloise. Okay. Okay, first we're unloading my car, and then my dad's coming at 6.
No, what? Okay. Stuck in elevator. You go first. Go.
Okay, here we go. This is Ashley's little setup for now. Looks like we're camping. Very nice. Okay, so bed there. We're thinking vanity table there. That will be my desk, content creation, makeup, all of that. And then this is my closet. And then this is my roommate Ashley's closet. So it kind of worked out really nicely. Oh yeah, and this is laundry. We have in-unit laundry. And then we have another big closet right here. And then this is the bathroom. Got a shower with a bath. And me, hello. And then this is the kitchen. And then we have a very tiny island. Now my dad is coming with the minivan for all my furniture, and then we're going to bring in all my furniture through here to the freight elevator and then up to my apartment. I just picked up my first ever packages in the new apartment, and we're gonna take a little break from unpacking and we're gonna go eat some dinner because we're starving. And I'm not getting a bed today, which is really unfortunate. The delivery guys are saying that it's gonna come somewhere in between Saturday and Tuesday. So I have to stay with my parents in their hotel tonight because I have no bed. We're going to Weber Grill Restaurant for dinner. I've always wanted to try it because it's a big grill. You just got to. Good morning, it is Saturday. I'm here at the hotel that I stayed at with my parents last night. Another thing that I love about my building is that it is right in the middle of literally everything I could possibly need. Across the street has a nail salon, a Subway, a Starbucks, a Cold Stone Creamery. There is a grocery store / market attached to my building on the first floor. So today the list is Facebook Marketplace finds, Home Goods, maybe TJ Maxx, and then I need to go grocery shopping. I have no food, so.
What?
What? We're on the way to pick up my first Facebook Marketplace find. It's a little IKEA white nightstand, and it was only $25. So I'm picking it up from this girl right now. And yay! So cute, perfect size. It looks brand new. Perfect. Okay, family. We just picked up Facebook find number 2. It's again another IKEA find. It looks like a brand new dresser, so it's gonna be perfect for my closet to fit all of my dresser things. Oh boy. Alright, this is the current disaster, but now it's 9 o'clock, so we're gonna quit for the day and go eat. We just picked up Facebook find number 3, and I got this TV stand. They said it was only 6 months old, and it's super nice, and I can't wait to put it in the apartment. My parents just left, and they were such a huge help. We moved in Friday, and then Saturday we were out for like 12 hours, and then today we picked up a few more things, and they were just such a huge help. Like, moving into a city is pretty difficult, especially like getting all the furniture and everything. So big thank you to my parents. I would not have been able to do this without them. Now I need to organize my apartment, put my clothes together, figure out my makeup vanity setup. I'm also repotting some plants. So yeah, I have a lot to do, but I'm excited. I love organizing. My mattress is still not here yet. It's supposed to come on Tuesday now. So I'm going to be sleeping on our futon until it gets here. I just got the message that my mattress has been delivered to my package room, so I'm about to go get the mattress. I've literally just been sleeping on our futon up until then, so I'm excited to actually have a bed. So let's go get that. Bed is all put together. I think it's so cute. It's giving me coastal vibes. Absolutely obsessed. Let's see if it's comfy. It is indeed very comfortable. It's only 6 inches, but it's just like, it's super comfy. I love it. Something else about this building is that everyone is so freaking nice and friendly and talkative. I've already made a few friends just like passing by in the elevators or the hallways, and a lot of people are my age or younger families, and then just a few like older people, but for the most part it's people my age. So I'm so excited to meet some new friends here and like meet at the pool and stuff. Also, I saw in the elevator that my building is putting on like a summer pool party. So I think that's just so much fun. I love that they have like fun things going on. It's kind of like an adult college here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my move-in vlog, and I definitely want to make an updated apartment tour video soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and look out for that one, as well as some fun modeling adventures in Chicago. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.